boy dipping. My boy dipping in that truck. Yes. Fuck it, eh? Look at that Panigale. There we are. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. Vlog. What do I want to do? Do I want to go on FDR and just go brah, 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 brah. Brah, 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 brah. Nah, fuck it. Do. There we go. Queens Borough Bridge. Oh boy. Why is there traffic again? Why is there always traffic? Why, oh why, oh why? Okay, alright, so let's start a vlog before I forget the whole mother... So, the previous vlog, I was on my way to take care of shit. On the way to fix random plumbing issues and cleanings, and guess what? I failed at everything. I legit will have to pay money, or paid money for everything, every single thing I ended up not doing and paying money to get done. It's crazy. Yeah, so it's funny how at Mott Street, at the other place, I was like boasting how I saved money, and now I've spent money. It was just like too much. It's like a high pressure, high rise building, so you know, yeah, long story short, we're just gonna go for a cruise. Why is there so much traffic here? What is the meaning of this transition? I don't understand. What the actual fuck is happening? What the actual fuck is going on here? Why is everybody being rerouted and shit? So strange. FDR is moving. Oh, FDR is fucked as well. Interesting. I don't understand. Come on, bro. You gotta get in there. You gotta get in there, taxi. Come on. You fucking bastard. Where are you going? What is the meaning of this terrible traffic? Are people turning on right on red? Is that what's happening? Maybe? Wait, what? Fuck them. Alright, well I guess shit's been chosen for me. Going to FDR. That's how it is. Things have been chosen for me. We go on the F, the D, the R. Things have been chosen for me. We go on the D, the F, the... oh wait, I can't go on the FDR here. Bitch! What the fuck is happening here? Son of a fucking banana. Son of a fucking banana. No idea why any of this is fucking happening right now. But you know what? Let's be positive. Let's be positive. Let's dance with it. We're fine. I wanted to go on FDR anyway. What is that? Oh, yeah, right. Blade is like the Uber for helicopters. Fancy motherfuckers. Alright, okay. What do we got here? There we go. Go. Woohoo! Little FDR. Little FDR. Go. Little speed. I'm not saying anything. I'm sorry. I'm just happy that I got shit done. I'm just happy that there was like a handful of garbage I had to deal with, and there we go. Bada bing, bada booshka. Manhattan Bridge? Nah, we'll take Brooklyn Bridge. Because you know what? It's fucking gorgeous there. My boy dipping in that truck. Yeah, boy. Fucking A. That guy is a fucking maniac. Good for him. Good for him. Love it. Love it. Hell yeah. Fucking awesome. Lord. Sweet bananas. Succulency of Christ. I probably just got like 5 speeding tickets, which is all part of the fucking fun, you know? It's all part of the... Get in there. There we are. Get in there. Tuck in there. Dumbo can never get rid of Dumbo, 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 Dumbo. Dum dum dum. Bo bo bo. Fuck it, eh? Oh boy, oh boy. There's a pawpaw right there, waiting for me to make a mistake. I'm not sure why I fucking had to be such a savage, but I really wanted to like feel the gun, the throttle, you know. I really wanted to gun this bitch. That's why I kind of went the way I went. That's why I kind of went a bit quicker than normal. It's all good. Fucking hot out. What a hot day. What a warm day. It is a shame I didn't go upstate, but I get to watch MotoGP. I get to watch MotoGP. Looking over here, we aight. There we go. There we are. How to be a superstar. This is like, you know, like some vlogs are, that's the thing about this vlog. You have to, like, if this is your first episode of the vlog you're watching, what you have to remember is this is a video diary of my writing. So on this day, I felt happy that I accomplished it, even though it cost me fucking $275 plus $450. That's $725. All right, okay. Way too much money, but that's maintenance. crazy maneuver for no reason. I'm just joyriding like a jerk off now. Probably shouldn't even have a plate doing shit like that. Totally fine. I don't think anybody's too upset. And if they are, they'll just have to get over it. Yeah, so thanks for watching, you know. Thanks for watching this madness unfold. BQE was fun. Yo, that truck was going a hundo. That fucking truck was bugging. Adorable. Look, these folks are about to go. They're like, why not? I mean, we got time. Sure, why not? Gorgeous. Come on, champ. You're gonna have to fucking go. You're gonna have to fucking go. Anyway, good times. We did it. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Fucking minivan. Booyah. All right. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, everybody. Kisses.